13.1, I can find the mean, mode, and range for a set of data. Let's cover our information here. So first off, mean. Find the sum of all the numbers and then divide by how many numbers there are. Guys, you might be familiar with this. It's also known as average. So add them up, divide by the same number that is there. Mode, the number that is used the most. The mode's literally just, we're going to count them. And whatever number or numbers are used the most, that's it. You may have more than one mode. Here's our warning out here. And the range is simple. It's the difference between the biggest and the smallest numbers. All right? And remember, difference means subtraction. All right? Given the following list of numbers, find the mean, mode, and range. Round to the nearest tenth if applicable. All right. So we have to add these up for mean. We're going to do 12 plus 2 plus 8 plus 4 plus 3 plus 60 plus 8 plus 2 plus 60. All right, let's add those up. Well, I know, here's how I'm going to do it. You could plug this in the calculator, but I like kind of pairing them up. So I know that like 2 plus 8 makes 10. 8 plus 2, 10. All right? All right, let's do that. Let's do 60 plus 10 is 70, plus 60 is 130, plus 10 is 140, plus 12 is 152, plus 4 is 156, 159, 159. I have 159 adding up my head. Let's go back and plug it into the calculator to make sure, okay? How about that? Let's do 12 plus 2 plus 8 plus 4 plus 3 plus 60 plus 8 plus 2 plus 60 again. That does give me 159. I'm going to write 159. And I'm going to divide that by 9. It's going to give me 17.6. I'm going to put, let's say, well, no. It's around nearest 10th. I'm going to erase that 6. 117.7. 17.7 for the mean. The mode was ever the most. So if we look at this, we have 2 60s, we have 2 8s, and we have 2 2s. So our mode is going to be 2, 8, and 60. The range is going to be 60 minus 2. Our range is 58. Right? Let's do it again. Given the following list of numbers, find the mean, mode, and range. Round to the nearest tenth if applicable. So here's our employees' hourly wages. $12, $10, $10, 17, 13, 16, 13, 16. All right, we're going to add all this up. So my prop, 12 plus 10 plus 10 plus 17 plus 13 plus 16 plus 13 plus 16. I'm going to add those all up in my calculator. 12 plus 10 plus 10 plus 17 plus 13 plus 16 plus 13 plus 16 to get 107. I'm going to take that total and divide by the number box. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excuse me. 807 divided by 8. That's going to be, around it is 10. So my number is 13.375. I'm going to round here using this one. I'm going to have 13.4 dollars is the mean hourly wage. The mode is what appears the most. I have 116, 2 16s. I have 113, 2 13s. I have 110, 2 10s. Those are my modes. $10, $13, and $16. Those are our modes. That's our mode. Those are the 3 most reported numbers. Range is the highest minus the lowest. So the highest is 17. The lowest is 10. That gives us a range of 7. Range of 7. Alright? So we're going to do it. For mean, you add them up, divide by the total number of things. In this case, it was 8. The mode, we're going to count them. Whatever appears the most is the mode. It can be multiple numbers, and the range is the largest minus the smallest. Alright? Homework's going to be a worksheet. It's going to look like this. You're going to add them up. Use your calculators. Alright? So you're going to have 8 opportunities.